One of the essential part of running a business is lead generation. You can't sell to people without a qualified lead, and that's exactly what this tutorial is for. First, you'll learn how to generate qualified leads through search engine optimization and the best practice in lead generation. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a list of qualified leads that you can contact for more information. This method is crucial for the growth of your business. Hey, it's your boy Willie D. Jernett. I'm about to reveal my top lead generation tutorial for beginners in this video. This video will also reveal my #1 lead capture page. Hey guys, before we get into the training, I would like for you to like and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, I have a system that will help you triple your email list in a matter of no time. Guys, take a look at the link that I have below, and if you can't remember, it's tripleyouremaillist.com. guys. Take a look at that link so you can triple your emails in your email box in a matter of no time. I'll see you in the training. I wanted to create a video tonight on being able to get leads to your business. Now, this work from home job is you being your own boss. You are the one that actually putting out the money to build your business. This is not a video where I show you places you can go and work for. This is you actually being an entrepreneur for yourself. But in your entrepreneurship, the first thing you got to do if you plan on doing a business, you want to at least get you a set of leads to follow up on. So tonight I want to go through a process, if you're not familiar with it, lead generation tutorial for beginners. And I'm going to tell you the easiest and the most affordable way to get going where it won't cost you a lot of money. First of all, I'm going to show you a absolutely totally free method. It costs you time. And then I'm going to show you a method where it doesn't cost you but less than $2 a day to actually have a system where you don't have to build a lot of stuff. You don't have to build a lot of lead capture page. It is kind of already set up for you. All you have to do is just actually promote it. The first thing I want to talk about is, and you know, if you a subscriber of this channel and you've seen some of my previous videos, this is Lead Skimmer. This is a lead capture page that if you have just any little traffic to it, I am telling you, people are going to join. And I'm going to teach you how to get this kind of traffic. And it's if you join Lead Skimmer and come into my Facebook group, and I'm going to teach you how to do that. But this is another method of being able to get leads. And I've told you in our previous video, we want to take these leads to another site called Traffic Hoopla. And what you want to do in Traffic Hoopla is you want to come in and join all of these sites right here. Create your 2 Gmail accounts and join all of them. Go ahead and join every last one of them. You go #1, #2, and you join every last one of them. Yeah, that's what you want to do. Because what you're going to do in this process, even though you can join all of these sites free, like certain sites that are free takes you every 7 days before you email. But what you're doing is you're testing the system out. You're getting a brace to the system and you're promoting it to this one lead capture page. That's what I'm talking about. This one lead capture page. And that's where you can start to generate you some leads for your business. And the reason why I say this, when you're reaching out to build yourself a contact list, everybody not going to stay with you. That's just the nature of the beast. It's just like in the work field. You have people come in, they work for a little while and they're gone. Everybody not going to stay with you. But what you do while you're building this lead, and beginners has to understand that everybody's not going to go with you. You filter out the curious and you end up keeping people who are serious if you done what you're supposed to do correctly. Let's go to another system, and this is Global NPN. Okay, Global NPN houses. If you go right down, I'm in the back off. Global NPN, it houses. This is where lead skimmer come from. But what I like about Global NPN, they already have some stuff set up for you where you do not have to actually, you don't have to set it up. It's already kind of set up for you. And what I like about this is, for the people who know me, that's a part of lead skimmer, you can come in and be a part of Global NPN and you get a lot of tools where you don't have to run around and get tools from other people. Just like this, we're going to start out right here. You do have an autoresponder. You do have a plugin that goes into the WordPress blog, and you have a API for autoresponding. So that's just one of the things that they do have. I didn't mean to click that. And then another thing that is so powerful, this is really, really powerful. I'm just telling you the tools that I use. You have this Insta blog. This is a blog where you can create and send it out, and you can capture leads from it. I'm just telling you, Insta blog, and I'm not going to go in there because this video will be entirely too long if we clicked on and looked at everything. But this is a blog. If you don't want to create a cPanel hosting blog, which you do have cPanel hosting, you can create an Insta blog, write content on it, and send it out there, send it out to Pinterest, send it to, and it has a built-in way to capture leads. I'm just telling you, there's another tool already built for you. cPanel hosting. If you want to host your blog on a cPanel host, it's already there. Now, I don't use the site builder. I don't use the page builder, but you can. So another thing that you can do, and this is very vital to your system. It's time consuming, but this is going to let you know whether you're making progress or not. They have tracking system. You can track your email message if you want to. You can track it per title. If you want to have a title and you want to see how many actual clicks that people are hitting on your titles, you can do it like that. You have a URL rotator. That's when you have several different lead capture pages that you run in some to, and you want to find out which one of the sites are they actually clicking on. Okay, so that's another thing that you want to take. This is all about bringing you leads to your system. All right, they have video hosting. Okay, say if you got a video that you don't want the YouTubers or anything to see, you can put your video right here. Check this out. In that video, that URL is surrounded by a way you can get leads into your system. It is set up like that. That video, you send that link out, it has things around it where you can gather lead. Another lead attracting system for beginners. I'm just telling you how powerful it is. Okay, and we can go down here. Let's just look at some of the stuff down here. Now, this is just some of the stats and some of the stuff that if you do join, and you'll show other people how to do the things as well. And another thing with this lead capture system, guys, you could bring leads in and bring them into this as well. Okay, now let's just go ahead and look at some of these links where I'm just going to show you some lead pages where you can have all of these links right here. Every bit of these links are lead capture links to bring leads to your business. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are leads. Okay. That's another already created for you. That's why I say this is perfect for beginners. All right, let's go to these squeeze pages already created for you. All of these squeeze pages are created for you. You can gather the lead, and guess what? The company follows up. They actually do promotional emails that follow up. Look here, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You still get the leads. Okay, that's another thing that's already set up for you. That's why I say this is the perfect example for beginners. All right, let's go to lead magnet. This is lead magnet. Now, you will have to go through some tutorial to do this, but every last one of these are lead magnets. Already set up for you. Every bit of it is set up for you. This is set up for you. That is set up for you. Everything in here all the way down is actually set up for you. That's why I always say for a beginner, you can't go wrong in this deal. Another thing that's going to happen in January, let's go back to the dashboard. This is what's going to happen in January. This is for the paid customer. The first level To me, they have a earlier level. I think it's like a $17 level a month and a $27 level. But to get what I'm showing you guys, you have to get to, it's just $67 a month. And if you want to go to executive, you can go, I think it's one something. But anyway, I'm just at the $67 a month. Okay. But let me show you something that's going to happen here. January, look right here. As a member, and then you do get a 14-day trial. Look here. You get, this is what I am, an NPN director. I won't go to executive until I get going a little bit more. Anyway, 50 leads per month going directly in your system. You will get these leads coming into your system each and every month. What better way to start out for a beginner? And the only thing I want to tell you guys about this, as an entrepreneur, as a person that is actually basically your own person, there is a little bit of a cost in it. I'm just trying to tell you, there's a little bit of cost. I'm not trying to hide behind the scene and not tell you not as cost, but you get actual 50 leads a month to work with. Is that not powerful? It wouldn't take but one upgrade a month and your account is paid for. But just say if you got 2 upgrades of these 50 leads where your account is paid for. All right, we're not even finished. We're not finished. Okay. Now here we go. Another system, guys. Another system. You know what? I'm going to even let you take a peek of it. I'm going to let you take a peek of what this looks like. Let you see what this looks like. This is still up under the same umbrella. This is still up under the same umbrella. I'm just telling you. That's why I say this is the perfect place. Here it is. Look at the lead capture page already set up for you. I mean, how cool is this? It's still for $67 a month. This is perfect for the beginner. It's still up under the same umbrella. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go to the next one. I'm gonna show you another one. Another one, really another one. And let me slide this. I'm just showing you all what is possible. Another system, guys. Another system that gives you a video already set up for you. It's some things in the video training you will have to set up, but it's not building it. You can have every last one of these lead capture pages set up in a couple hours. All you gotta do is watch the tutorial. And then when you market it to your people, you don't have to be the one that teaches them. The teaching is already in the back office, And here you go. Y'all know there's your lead skimmer. Yeah, it is a part of the umbrella up under here. So, and if you want some stuff, actual stuff, built, they have stuff that you can service that they can do for you. And then if you want to buy traffic, I'm talking about quality traffic. All traffic is not quality. If you want to buy extra traffic, you can get it to run to these pages. But for a person that's a beginner, all it would take for you to get this going, where you don't have to spend no more money, lead capture system, and they have stuff you can use to advertise it with. Run it to this system. Don't cost you nothing to join Traffic Hoopla and start getting your leads in, guys. Getting your leads in. And you can't beat that. You really, really can't beat that. I've got a ton of lead using this system. That's the reason why I wanted to do this video on lead generation. Before we go back into the work from home opportunity, I just wanted to let you know this is available. And I do have videos earlier on my about global NPN and lead skimmer. But as you grow your channel, some of those videos was not quality, and I wanted to have a very quality presentation so you can see what is going on. But I am telling you, if you want to rock in 2022, you need to build your lead. You need to build you some leads, and you need to build your lead system where you can come back and nurture your people. And like I said, if you guys come ahead and join, I have my lead skimmer group. I do have a global NPN group that I will be creating. I think I've already have one, but you come into my lead skimmer group. I have a course that I'm actually going through, and I'm going to share it with you. And within this course, we're going to take it to another level. We're going to actually help you get going. If you decide to join Global NPN, I'm going to help you get your blog and stuff set up where you can get you, I'm talking about cPanel hosting blog, where you can get some traffic coming to your business. My goal is within the next couple months, my goal is to teach people in the Lead Skimmer group how to be able to get close to 1,000 visitors to your blog a day. I hope this was great to you. I want to get a like, and I want to see you subscribe to this channel, and get ready for the Happy New Year. It's right around the block. And another thing is, come ahead and build yourself a nice leads. You want leads in your system. You want to build a business, you need leads. So guys, take care. I'll see you the next time around. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.